Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Paleo Recipes Healthy Diet app is and how it's positioned. The Paleo Recipes Healthy Diet app is a food and drink mobile guide with hundreds to thousands of paleo-style meal ideas tailored to the grain-free, gluten-free, caveman eating approach based on its official Apple App Store description. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. With this app, users can browse hundreds of paleo recipes organized by categories like fitness meals, snacks, crockpot dinners, and more so they can eat whole food meals without guessing what fits the paleo approach. It may allow users to plan ahead with an easy meal planner that creates shopping lists based on chosen recipes so weekly cooking becomes more organized. The app may provide offline access to save favorite recipes and view them anytime even without an internet connection. Users could also share recipes with friends or family through social media or messaging right from the app interface. This app may include automatic updates with new seasonal and trending paleo recipes so the recipe library stays fresh over time. Because the paleo diet itself refers to a dietary pattern centered on nutrient-dense, whole foods while avoiding processed foods, grains, dairy, and refined sugar, the app's usefulness depends on how much you want to follow this dietary style rather than being a medical tool. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.